So for malls, how it works is basically these malls have been built and given out, each have 100, 150 shops and kiosks and anchor stores and food courts and everything. And so it's business as usual. So the mall owners, their main revenue comes out of the business done by these retailers. And the business done by these retailers in turn is dependent on how good the mall is, how it is maintained, where it is situated. There's a very famous mall which suddenly now decided not to put AC. Okay, I don't want to give its name, but obviously the footfall into that mall has declined, and people might want to withdraw the shop. So they are living in a mutually dependent kind of environment. So what is the software that we provide to them is two-pronged. One is the obvious commercial angle in terms of directly integrating from the retailers' data systems to the mall system, and giving them an idea in terms of how each store is performing from two angles. One is the obvious thing, revenue share. Okay, so that there is no revenue leakage and all that. The other aspect is also they can very clearly see that what are the stores, supposing they are having 5 malls, and mall A has a particular brand bookshop and brand B has another one. So if brand B is more popular, they can opt not to, so those kind of views. Okay, and then also in terms of footfall, how much footfall happens into the mall, in which direction the footfall is going. So these are the kind of insights they can give to their tenants. So they can tell them that, look, this particular tenant put up this particular signboard, so most of the people, went towards that. So probably you need to improve your signage. So they can in turn give very important information to the retailers, because if business is not happening for the retailer will walk out. Plus they have these anchor stores that are happening. Okay, so there might be a particular pizza. Okay, there are 4 or 5 pizza vendors in India. One of them can be always attached to a particular mall. So if that particular brand of pizza, how it is performing against in all regions, is it worthwhile continuing with this pizza chain, or should I replace it with another pizza chain? Likewise for juice chain. So these are the kind of mutually beneficial things that are happening in the mall. And other than that, the operational efficiency of the mall itself, how much energy is being consumed, because the biggest cost for these guys is energy consumption, keeping the ACs on, how much of staffing, okay, are they adequately staffed, what is the sales per staff that is happening, what is the energy consumption per staff, what is the footfall per staff. Okay, I am having 200 security people. Okay, does the footfall justify having so many people? So from both perspective, this is not a regular mall taking receipts and payments. It's not a transaction system. You're assuming that transaction systems are in place. This tries to give intelligent information to both the retailers and the malls, so that they can mutually flourish. Okay, before they realize after 1.5 to 2 years that it's not working out and separate. So right from day one we start giving this kind of information.